Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new lecture of SME, Small and Medium Enterprises. Today we have got our new topic by the name of workplace deviances. Workplace deviances. If you remember, in previous classes we have talked about ethics or ethical behavior. First, we should define ethics, then we are going to workplace deviances, as they are opposite to each other. Ethics, the acceptable standards within a society or organization that shows what is right and what is wrong is called ethics. In different subjects, we are talking about financial ethics, marketing ethics, advertising ethics, organizational ethics. In every organization there are some acceptable principles, some acceptable standards. If an employee is going according to those standards, he is called to be a good employee. If an employee is deviating from those standards or not following those rules and regulations or standards, he is called to be a bad employee or not a good employee at all. So that is called ethics. Now, what is workplace deviances? If you are not following the ethical standards of the organization, that is called deviances. Deviances are opposite to ethics. So there are different types of deviances. First, we should know the meaning of deviances. Then we are going to the types of deviances. So what is the meaning of workplace deviances, or what is the definition of workplace deviances? It is an unethical behavior, opposite to ethical behavior, that violates organizational norms about what is right and wrong. Means you are going opposite to the organizational norms. You are going opposite to the organizational standards or principles or accepted standards and principles. So that is called workplace deviances. In organizations there are some serious deviances, and some are minor deviances. Some are smaller deviances and some are major deviances or serious deviances. Here you see we have got 4 different types of deviances. Below this line, these 2 deviances are called interpersonal deviances. Above this midline, these 2 deviances are called organizational deviances. In organizational deviances, we have got production deviances and property deviances. They are related to the organization. In interpersonal deviances related to the human resources, we have got another 2 types of deviances: political deviances and personal aggression. Now, again dividing these 2. This right side, property deviances and personal aggression, they are called serious deviances. And this side, left side, production deviances and political deviances, they are called minor deviances. They are very serious, they are minor deviances, but still both of them are not acceptable within the organization. Now we are going to explain them one by one. Organizational deviances, production deviance and property deviance. In organizational deviances means you are doing something wrong. You are not going well according to the standards based on the ethics related to the organization. So they are called production deviances, related to the production of the company, related to the work of the company, related to the outcome of the company. You are doing something wrong. So what they are, they may be leaving early. Some people are running away from their jobs 1 hour or 2 hours before. This is also called production deviance, unethical behavior, not accepted at all in the organization. Number 2, taking excessive breaks. I have also told you in previous semester that some people are looking busy doing nothing. They are taking a lot of breaks, going to canteens, scrolling from one office to another office, taking breaks, tea break, call break, lunch break. So taking excessive breaks are also not acceptable in the organization. Unethical behavior and called production deviance. Intentionally working slowly. You are working slowly intentionally, then the required speed of your work, or then your potential, then your energy, you are intentionally working slowly. It is also called production deviance. Because of your this slow speed, production will be less. There will be less output, unethical behavior. It is called deviance. Number 4, wasting resources. Wasting resources means that you are not believing in efficiency, using more resources and having less output. It is also production deviance. Then it is a type of organizational deviance. You are disturbing the organization, you are harming the organization. Then property deviance. In property deviance, accepting kickbacks means bribes, rishwat. Number 2, lying about hours worked, means you have worked for 3 hours but you are lying to your boss, your superiors, that you have worked for 5 hours. It is property deviance. Number 3, stealing from company, stealing some devices, some assets of the company, some property of the company. It is called property deviance and related to the organizational deviances. So these 2 were included in organizational deviances. Number 1 of which was production deviance, number 2 was property deviance. They are included in organizational deviances. One of them was very serious, property deviance, and the production deviance was minor. Then shifting to the interpersonal deviances. You are doing something wrong to your colleagues, to your friends, to your co-workers in the organization. Number 1 of which is political deviance, which is minor, and other is personal aggression, which is serious. So what is meant by political deviance? Political deviance means number 1, showing favoritism. Favoritism means you are showing favor, you are doing favor to some of your employees based on language, based on culture, based on your relations, based on nation, based on area, geographical area, based on positions. So that is called showing favoritism, and it is a type of political deviance, but is not acceptable at all in the organization. Number 2, gossiping about co-workers, backbiting your co-workers, talking after your co-workers, talking against your co-workers, which they will not accept at any cost. So that is called gossiping about co-workers. Number 3, blaming co-workers. Blame, you are blaming them. Something he has not done wrong, and you are saying that this work is disturbed or this problem has arisen because of that employee, although he doesn't know and he is not the reason of that problem. That is called blaming your co-worker. So these are the types of political deviances, and it includes in minor deviance, and it is a type of also a type of interpersonal deviance. Deviance means you are not going according to the ethics. You are involved in unethical behavior. You are doing something wrong, either to the production or to the property of the organization or to the people of the organization, based on politics called political deviances. Then we are moving to the personal aggression. Personal aggression is very serious deviance, and it belongs to interpersonal deviance. Sexual harassment. What is meant by sexual harassment? Obviously, 2 types of genders are working in the organization, male and female. If you are involved being a male in such an activity, that you are looking towards your female co-workers from 6 point of view to keep relationship with them, to make unfair friendship with them, unfair relationship with them, or you are teasing them, you are disturbing them for the purpose of your sex. So that is called sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is not allowed at all, and it is serious deviance. It may be from male side or it may be from female side. So that is called sexual harassment and not allowed in the organization at any cost. Number third, verbal abuse. You are saying something wrong, taking names. So that is called verbal abuse. Number third, stealing from co-workers. Stealing something from your co-workers is also a type of personal aggression, and this type of deviance is serious deviance, including interpersonal deviance. So these are called workplace deviances, means that you are not following the ethical standards of the organization. You are deviating from the ethics of the organization, which is not acceptable in the organization. How we divide it? We divide it on the basis of two standards. Number one, whether it is related to organization or it is related to the people, to your co-workers. So there were organizational deviances, there were interpersonal deviances. Whether these deviances were very serious or they were not that much serious. So in serious deviances we have got property deviance and personal aggression, and minor deviance we have got production deviance and political deviance. In organizational deviance we have got production deviance and property deviance. In interpersonal deviance we have got political deviance and personal aggressions. So it means that this person who is involved in these activities is not following the ethics of the organization. What is ethics? The acceptable behavior in the organization is called ethical behavior. Or ethics are the standards or rules and regulations that shows what is right and what is wrong. So from where this ethics arise? Ethics came out from value, arzish. The thing to which we are giving importance is called value. When in the value, one thing becomes very much important, that value which is very much important, it converts to ethics, on the basis of which you will be called a good person, a good employee, or a bad person. Then, based on this ethics, some ethics are very much important, that converts the government is taking action on that. So those important ethics are converted into law. If you are not doing it, you are not going according to that law, you will be called a criminal. Okay students, this was our today lecture. Be with me for coming classes. Khuda Hafiz.